yes, absolutely. For example, let's look at April. Now, April has all of these roles: accounts payable clerk, accounts payable manager, accounts payable payment clerk, budget clerk, employee. This scenario is that April has access to list of all the companies that are in this database. We have 20 companies here, and there are companies from all over the place: Japan, India, Russia, China. In a company that's a global company that has operations in many countries, each of these companies, it could be they're set up that way. Now, April may only have access to process accounts payable information for North America. So the accounts payable clerk role will require US, instead of giving April access to all companies, the accounts payable clerk role, we assign organizations to April. And typically, when a role is attached to a user, it comes grant access to all organizations. We can change that to say grant access to specific organizations. And we can say that April has access to, say, Mexico grant. See, now she has access to Mexico, and say she has access to Germany, and she may have access to Great Britain, US maybe, okay, US and Great Britain. So USA grant and Great Britain grant. For this role, which is accounts payable clerk, April only has access to 4 of these companies as opposed to all companies. Now, if I click save, in this one, accounts payable manager, she, however, has access to all companies. So to answer the question, can a user be given one role in one company and another role in another company? Yes, absolutely. So in one company, one role, accounts payable clerk, she had access to only 4 organizations. Whereas accounts payable manager, she has access to all organizations, which can also be restricted to other companies as well. She can only be given, for example, Germany and France as accounts payable manager. We can grant her Germany and France for accounts payable manager. So she only has access to do accounts payable manager functions for Germany and France, whereas she has access to accounts payable clerk in US, Great Britain, Mexico, and Germany. I presume that answers your question, that yes, it is possible, and this is how it's done.